Hello guys, welcome to my channel Salesforce Tech Geek. My name is Amit Singh and today we are going to see how to display a toast message on the Lightning Aura page. So let's get started. So this is my developer console screen. From the developer console screen, we just need to go to File, click on it, then just go to New and then select Lightning component. Give a name to your to a component lighting component screen. Let's say my name for this is um, display toast message and select the checkboxes. I will tell you the functionality of these checkboxes, what they are actually performing when we click on it in my next video. And after checking all the checkboxes, just click on the submit button. So lighting component page is created. uh, Now I have to I have to display a button that will display the toast message on the particular screen. So for this I have to write a code like lightning colon button and label is like click on me, and after that I need to perform an on click function on this. It should be named as, it should be in the double quotes then curly braces, and under it we should be displaying like exclamation sign, then C and the function name, and after that we just need to save it. Now I have to go to my controller screen by clicking on this. So this is my controller screen. I have to rename this to the function name which I have taken here. So it is here, it is show. So I just copy this function name and just come to the controller section again and just rename it. Now we have to write code for the toast message. So first I need to declare a variable. Let's say its name should be tst is equal to dollar a dot get bracket, and in bracket in the double quotes we will be putting e dot force colon show toast, and after that we have to set the parameters for the toast message. Here parameters include title of the toast message, its title, message, its type, duration, and mode. So for setting the parameter, I have to write syntax like tst dot set params, and then I have to specify the parameters under this curly braces. So first parameter will be title space colon space in single bracket. Let's say the title name should be my first toast message, comma, and after it we have to define message colon single quotes. Hmm, what message should I display? Like message should be hello, hello guys, welcome to sales, welcome to Salesforce Tech Geek channel. and after that I have to specify its type. So let's say it should be info type, and duration which I want to specify, let's say is of 8000 milliseconds, and at last is mode. So we have three modes for post message. The first one is dismissible, the second one is paster, and third one is sticky. So for this current video, so for this video I'm showing only the how the dismissible mode will work on the toast message. So in my coming videos I will show you how the mode paster and sticky will work. We just need to put a semicolon, and after that we have to fire the toast also. So the coding part for the component section, controller section. So this is the coding part for the controller section, which is now complete. I just have to save it and check that whether any compiler issue is there or not. So you can see that, as you can see that the code is compiled without any error. And one thing we need to keep in mind that we cannot display or check the functionality of our toast message from the developer console. For this section we have to navigate to our Salesforce screen, and here we just need to refresh the page, and I have to edit this section. Click on the edit page. So this particular home page is now is editable mode. I just have to scroll down at the bottom to check where is my lighting component with name. Toast message is getting displayed, so I forget the name which I have taken, so I just need to navigate to my page, and where the page name is display toast msg. Okay, so just I have to display toast msg. So if you are not able to find your lighting component page name, you can also search it from here. So you can see that this is being displayed here. You just have to select it and scroll down to a particular section where you want to put this particular button. Just leave it here. So you can see that it is being displayed here as click on me, and after that I just have to click on save button, and after that once it gets saved successfully, then I have to click on activation button. So a pop-up page will get displayed. So as you already can see that it is already being set as a default, so I have to do nothing here. I just have to close click on the close button, and then click on the back button. So now my particular button which I have displayed, which I have created here, lighting colon button label equal to click on me, is getting displayed in this particular section. So if I click on this button, my toast message will disappear with the following information which I have placed here in the controller section. That is, title will be my first toast message. Message will be hello guys, welcome to Salesforce Tech Geek channel. Type is info. Duration is 8000 millisecond, and its mode is dismissible. So let's check whether it is working or not. So I just need to click on this particular button, and yes, you can see that this is my title, this is my message which I have written there, and after 8 seconds the toast message will get displayed. Since it is a dismissible mode, so what is the function of dismissible mode? For dismissible mode, uh, after clicking on this particular button, if the mode is selected as dismissible, then this particular message will get displayed once the specified duration gets end or after clicking on the cross icon. So you can see that if I click on the cross icon, the toast message will get automatically disappear. And if I don't want to click on the click icon and want to see that the toast message will get uh, dis, uh, disappear after the specified duration ends, so just click on it and leave it. So after 8 seconds this message will automatically get um, away from the screen. So you can check that message got disappear. So guys, we have achieved what we have planned for today's video. So if you like the video, then subscribe the channel, like the video and share it with your loved ones. Stay tuned as more stuffs are on the cards. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.